Oh. Oh. Man, I can't believe I got grounded for smashing the fish tanks at PetSmart and flooding the entire PetSmart. What am I going to do now? I got it. I'm going to take down the Jet Brite Car Wash logo. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. All right, let's go to Jet Brite Car Wash. All right, I made it to Jet Brite Car Wash. Now I'm going to take down the Jet Brite Car Wash logo. Yes, I took down the Jet Brite Car Wash logo. Yes, I took down the Jet Brite Car Wash logo. Yes, I took down the Jet Brite Car Wash logo. Yes, I took down the Jet Brite Car Wash logo. Now to run away before I get caught.
When Dark Queen Merelda got home, Dark Queen Merelda, come downstairs immediately. We need to have a word with you.
Dark Queen Merelda, we just got off the phone with the Jet Brite Car Wash manager. He told us that you took down the Jet Brite Car Wash logo. Is this true?
Well, you guys are gonna be so furious when I tell you, but yes, I took down the Jet Brite Car Wash logo.
Dark Queen Merelda, we can't believe you took down the Jet Brite Car Wash logo. You know you can get arrested for doing that.
I strongly agree with your father. You are grounded until 2023. Go to your room right now.
Why does this keep happening to me?